Alright guys, today we're working on step 3 on the elevator assembly. We'll be assembling the counterweight for the elevator. Got all the parts here laid out on the table, and we'll go ahead and assemble it. Hey guys, I was pulling that last rivet right next to that bracket. I don't know if you can see that. It's a tight fit, but it didn't sit flush. I think I'm going to go ahead and drill that out and try and pull that with a hand riveter. I think I can get in there a little bit better than with this Milwaukee. Okay guys, they got two AN3-13A bolts. This one here says right now do not tighten. We'll do that here in a couple of steps. This one though, we do tighten. We torque it. I've got a torque wrench here. We're going to torque it to 1.5 to 2 foot-pounds of pressure of torque. So I've got my torque wrench already dialed in. Let's go ahead and torque it down. And got a ways to go. Basically, you go till you feel that click right there. That's 2 foot-pounds of pressure right there. So that's torqued. And then I bought some of this Viz torque. I'll put the link in the description. Never used it, but we're going to go ahead and try it. And I'm just going to draw a line like this. That way you can see if the bolt has backed off. Just let that dry there. It says to set up for 24 hours. But that completes this step, which is step 3. Alright.
For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator assembly step 3 took 1 hour 45 minutes to complete. Total build time so far is 48 hours 45 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.